SaleMove is focused on combining the human touch with technology to create the most amazing customer experience possible. We provide the platform for communicating with customers that combines both human as well as artificial intelligence. Humans have nuance. Bots have efficiency. Bots know the rules, and humans know when to break them. Today, I want to share with you 3 types of customer communication. Type 1, pure human. Type 2, human plus AI. And type 3, pure AI. All right, so let's get started with type 1, pure human. So I'm a customer on this insurance website over here, and I'm browsing around for a quote, and Justin over here is the insurance agent. So I see SaleMove down here in this bubble, and if I click in, I can see that Justin is actually available to communicate with me using video, audio, phone, and chat. So I'm going to start the conversation using video. Justin's picking up. And now we see Justin on camera over here, and he's going to offer me co-browsing, and as soon as I accept, he can actually start navigating with me hands-free, filling out this quote with me right on my phone. Keep in mind, this can be integrated into any existing website or mobile app. This insurance site that you see here is just a dummy environment, and we can do this in under 1 month using SaleMove. All right, so that's type 1, pure human, conversation between me and Justin. All right, so let's move on to type 2 and 3 and use AI to help our friend here, Justin. So we're going to create 2 bots on the fly here really quickly. One bot using IBM Watson is going to be a virtual assistant for Justin the agent. And a second bot using Amazon Lex is going to interact directly with customers. So let's start with IBM over here. Justin is going to create a bot with 1 question only. And the question is going to be, how much insurance should I buy? That's the question that the customer is going to be asking. Now let's see the prompt that Justin is going to use for the agent. It's going to say, we suggest that you purchase 125% of the value of your home. So he's added that. We've created this simple bot. Now we're going to go on to Amazon Lex. He's going to shift over. Now we've created the one that's going to be prompting the agent with suggestions. Now let's create the one that's going to be interacting directly with the customer. So he's creating a quote bot here. He's going to say, I'm interested in purchasing a quote, or I'm interested in a quote. He's done that, and the answer is going to be, great, let's get started. What is your home address? So we've created our 2 microbots here. You can see how easy and simple it is to get these going. A couple of questions, you put them into the builder, and now we're moving over to the SaleMove Console. Now this is the platform where we can attach these bots to your customer communication, okay? So what you're seeing here, you see Justin's going to click this button, and it says Add Engine. And here I can select between IBM, Amazon, Microsoft soon to come in about a week, and then BYOB, bring your own bot, custom as well. So he's going to choose IBM. You can see we have a few fields here that he can fill out just to add that bot that we just created in IBM. He can do the same for Amazon Lex. A couple fields. We've already had these added so that we can, in the interest of time, show you how they work. So now, let's move on to type 2 and 3. Type 2 is human plus AI, and type 3 is pure AI. So what does human plus AI look like? So this is the SaleMove Console, again, and this is where Justin, the agent, is receiving all of his communication, be it chat, voice, video, phone calls. Everything is coming into this console, all channels. So you can see that we have an engagement coming in for chat, and he can accept or decline, right? So he's going to accept that engagement. And now we're going to zoom in on the chat area, and you're going to see that the customer is going to type in, how much insurance should I buy? That's the question that we integrated into the IBM bot. So he types that over, and you see that we get an intelligent suggestion that says, we recommend our customers purchase 125% coverage of the homeowner's value. So Justin's actually going to change that to 100. The agent can use or modify these intelligent suggestions and then send them over to the customer. So think about what just happened there. Justin, the agent, had a conversation come in from the customer, and he's presented with intelligent suggestions that can be used for compliance, they can be used for training purposes, they can even go to a back-end database like Salesforce or anything else and pull in information for him to use during the conversation. All right, so that's type 2, human plus AI. Let's round it out with type 3, pure AI. So we're going to come back to me. I'm going to go to Pure AI bookmark that I have here. And we're back on this insurance agency site, and I'm scrolling around, and now when I click in on SaleMove, I can actually see that I have Justin, but I also have Freddie. So I'm going to click on Freddie and start the engagement, and I'm going to say, I am interested in a quote. Send that over. I typed quote incorrectly. And so it says, great, let's get you started. What is your home address? So from here, I can continue to interact with Freddie to get the quote, or I can simply type in human and be transferred over to Justin. You can see that that's happening now. I'm being transferred over. And Justin is once again beautifully on camera here. All right, so we've showcased 3 types of customer communication. Type 1. Pure human. Justin and I interacted using video chat and co-browsing in a high-touch way. Type 2, human plus AI. Justin, the agent, received intelligent suggestions from the bot that we created for his conversation with me. And type 3, pure AI. I interacted with Freddie, and then I was able to be transferred off to Justin, the agent. So many of you have executive mandates to launch these bots, and many of you have already invested in these technologies, but you need different bots for different situations. Maybe there's one for commercial banking, for insurance, for retail, for concierge. How do you unify all of these different bots and all of these different customer experiences to create a cohesive narrative for your customers? SaleMove provides this platform, and it includes all the different channels that you would expect: video, voice, phone, chat, co-browsing, along with these AI technologies that you can just simply add into the customer experience. So BYOB to the party, come see us at our booth, and we'll be happy to talk about customer experience with you. Thank you.